What's going on, guys? Check this out. I found this website that has created a list of a bunch of publishing websites that is going to pay you per post that you submit. So you'll see right here, this website right here, $150 per post, 222 euros per post on wanderlost.com. Great Escape Publishing, $50 to $200 per post. $150 to $700 per post. And if I come down more and more, here you can get paid to write about general interests of $300 per post, 0.35 cents per word, $250 per post. And there's actually a section here as well where you can even get paid to write jokes. That is $50 to $200 per post. And this second website here, Reader's Digest, is $100 per post. You can write about education, religious, special topics. There's so many different things, so many different websites that you can get paid on for writing posts. This one right here is even up to $3,000 per article that you post. And I'm going to show you 2 free tools that you can use to literally copy and paste articles to submit to these websites to earn online. So you don't need to sit late at night coming up with all of these articles, writing your own articles or posts. I'm going to show you tools that you can literally copy and paste. As long as you give a little bit of credit to the author, this will work for you. Best part about this method, it's worldwide. Anybody can do this. It's free to do. You can log onto this website I'm going to show you right now and start submitting your posts. Guys, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa. And on this channel, I upload daily videos on how to make money online, how to build an online business, and how to grow your online presence and brand. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an amazing video just like this one. And also I invite you to join my private Facebook group down below where I'll post exclusive content such as ebooks, valuable books, audiobooks, etc., as well as behind the scenes content of my channel, which is really cool. So make sure to go and join that first link in the description. And if you're ready for this value pack video, grab your cup of coffee and let's get straight into it. And there are actually quite a couple of videos just like this one around on YouTube, but what I'm hoping to achieve with this video is I'm actually going to show you a brand new platform that you can use to submit your posts and articles with this website to sort of make your work more unique, to increase your chances of earning. So that is what I'm hoping to achieve for you guys, because I really want this method to work for you guys. And you'll see right here, the first website we need to come to is moneypantry.com. And you'll see right here, if you click on the Earn Money tab, they will show you different tasks or websites that are paying to do various jobs, such as this one right here. They have a list of websites that actually pays you to get, or pays you for jokes that you come up with, up to $250 per jokes, which is a lot of money for just coming up with a joke. You'll see right here different articles, 25 ways to save money, 50 cheap but thoughtful Christmas gifts, how to make money selling breast milk, up to $50 a day. But you'll see right here, if I come back to the homepage and we type here on the search bar, get paid to post, it will actually come up with the articles that we are looking for. So you'll see right here, get paid to post on these 10 online forums, get paid to blog about anything, 21 blogs that pay you $100 plus for guest posts, get paid to write 101 websites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. And this is the one that we are looking for. So I'm going to click on continue. And there's actually a couple of here as well. Get paid for Instagram photos. Netflix pays $2,000 a week to post pictures on Instagram, which is really cool, a cool read as well if you want to get into that. There's so many different tasks and different articles this website has that you can go and make money online. But the one we're going to be using is this one right here, get paid to write 101 websites that pay you. So you'll see right here that actually you can literally get paid to blog about anything, whether it's your own interests, hobbies, and I suggest try and pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you how to write these articles, or how to get them, copy them, and then how to submit them, which is the most important process. So see right here, they actually have a table of content. So if I click on this, you can see here, you can get paid to write about vacation and travel. You can get paid to write about general interest, more short stories, about politics, news, and entertainment. You can get paid to write jokes, education, about religion, about special topics, about business and money and finance, about parenting, about lifestyle, about local stuff, for kids and teens, for sports and outdoor, for DIY home improvement, write about art, about science, farm and gardening, web and technology. There's so many different things that you can write about no matter what interest you have. You don't need to even have interest in any of these. If you've got no clue what you're doing, you can do this because I'm going to show you articles or a website where you can literally just copy and paste and submit on these websites. So you'll see right here, what I'll do is I'll open up one website of each different section. So vacation and travel, what I'm going to do is let's choose this one right here, her Horizon Edition magazine at $100 to $450 per post. You can write about general interest. So here you can see Vibrant Life, $100 to $300 per post. We can go have a look at the one with the jokes. which is this one right here. $50 to $200 per post. We can write about news and entertainment. So let's go to this one right here, the Sun Magazine, $2,000 per post. So you can see right here, something like the Sun Magazine is an elegant magazine with a huge slant on literary stuff. It's important that you actually read through these various different descriptions because you need to have an idea of what articles to use for these various different posts. So you can see right here, a typical non-fiction article can fetch between $300 to $2,000. If we go back up to this one over here, which is the vacation one, you can see right here, the Horizon Edition magazine is a monthly in-flight magazine for Horizon Air. This magazine is read by over 500,000 travelers every month. They pay $100 plus for short articles. Feature articles will be a little bit longer. You'll earn about $450. So this one, you're basically writing about travel. Maybe you've traveled to a different destination. You don't actually need to with the tool that I'm going to show you. You can literally post something about traveling to the Northern Lights in Antarctica, and you can submit this on this website, and you don't even need to go there yourself. You'll see right here, great publishing, $50 to $200 per post, same thing. You're just posting on various different places or about traveling for tourists that is obviously interested in this niche. And the first website that I'm going to show you guys to get these articles, there's going to be a second one as well. Make sure to stick with me until you hear about that one. It is far better than the first one. This first one I'm going to show you, you've probably heard of it before, is Quora.com, and it's actually a very valuable website. So you'll see right here, let's say we're talking about Horizon Edition magazines. This is this website right here, and you can see if you read through the guidelines, it basically tells you guidelines on what to write about, which is important that you read through this so you can sort of get to understand how to write or how to find an article that will do well with earning on this website. So let's say I visited a place in New York. What you can do is you can come over to Quora and we can go New York. So you see right here, I just put here traveling to New York so we can get some information on what it's like to travel to New York. So if I click on this one here, if I open up this one in a new tab, you can see right here, if I click on more, there's entire little articles right here that you can build an entire article out of. But with Quora.com, you won't be able to copy and paste this because Quora is not really an article website. It's more of a website where people put down questions and people answer them. But you can build articles out of this, such as the best places to visit in New York or the best places you visited in New York, and you can build a little article out of that. But the one that I want to show you guys is this one right here, which is way better than Quora.com, is ezinearticles.com. So you'll see right here, they've got article categories on various different categories such as travel, etc. And they actually have a search bar. So if I type on the search bar, travel New York, we can actually find dedicated articles to traveling in New York. So you'll see right here, Adventure Travel New York by Lynette Hingham, Business Travel Agent Tips. And you can see right here, there's a wine travel, New York City business travel destination guide, New York travel highlights. There's so many different articles on traveling in New York specifically that you can go and submit as an article. You can see right here, as an adventure in New York is expected. Did you know that upstate New York is a place of wild terrain, white sandy beaches, relaxation? So this is someone that wrote an article. You can literally copy this and you can credit the author, Lynette Hingham. So you can literally copy this, create a little article on a Word document, credit the author of this article. Then you'll need to come back to this Money Pantry website, and you can choose one of these websites that you want to submit on. So if I go to Transitions Abroad, for example, you just click on it, it will take you to their guideline website, and you'll see right here they actually have a section, how to submit an article. You'll click on that, it will take you here. We are currently reviewing articles and queries for transitionsabroad.com, which is this website. Documents should be addressed to this email. Please attach only Microsoft Word or link to Google Documents. So literally you can copy and paste this article from eZine Articles, send it to the email, include your contact information, your name, address, phone number, email address should appear on the first page of the document as well. Attach a headshot if you wish. So what you can do is you can also go to Google and you can type something like, if you're on a Windows PC, Microsoft Word article template, for example, and you can actually go and get a dedicated template, Office templates and themes dedicated to articles that looks a lot more professional. You can see right here like resumes, cover letters, different themes, brochures, newsletters is a good one you can use for articles, and that will just make your document look that much more professional when you submit to these websites, because it's not guaranteed that you're going to get $300 every single time that you would submit a post to them, because then people would probably be submitting 10 posts a day and earning thousands a day. It's just not going to work like that. So you want to make your work as professional as possible, and with eZine Articles being a new website introduced to this method, this is something that will make your work a lot more unique. And they also ask you photos to illustrate articles, so they will, like for example, 2 to 5 high resolution photos more if you want to. In an age where images are considered a critical component necessary to draw readers into an article, so you'll need to attach JPEG images with your email that you send to them, or you can provide a link to something like a Google Drive or Flickr. And here you can see a bunch of important submission considerations. So if you try and follow these considerations by sort of combining this with your article of eZine articles, the chances of your article getting paid from these guys is much higher. So have a look, read through the various different submission considerations and requirements, and you can come back to this website right here. You can have a look on another one such as wonderlust.com. Each link will take you to their guidelines. So here's everything you need to know about writing for Wonderlust, a perfectly made guideline right here that you need to submit on this website as well. And go through all of these. Try to do this full time for a couple of weeks or so and see how it goes. If you start earning 1 or 2 posts, try this more and more. And the nice thing about these websites, the more and more you post, the more and more these companies or websites will see you, and the more and more they will be choosing you because you are a loyal poster for these guys. They obviously like your work and they'll choose you, and you will earn even more doing this over time as you're building a reputation and a brand for yourself as well. But guys, if you want to see some of my best free courses or playlists right here on YouTube, right here on the screen, I've got 3 of my best playlists ranging from ClickBank, courses, drop shipping to making money online in 2020. My best playlists. Make sure to choose one of these. It's really packed with tons and tons of value and information that can help you succeed online. So choose one of these and I'll see you there.